Nifty Nut House today. This place is huge, and I've been here a couple times before, but it's really cool. If you've never been here, it's like Willy Wonka of Wichita, Kansas, and you can see Chiharu and Iori are getting some candy, and we're about to go on a road trip, so I hope you will subscribe to our channel. We have, we're going to go to Arkansas tomorrow, then we're going to go to Memphis, Tennessee, and we're going to pick up Mason, which is my son, my biological son, and then we're going to go to Mississippi, then we're going to go to Chattanooga, Tennessee, then we're going to go to the Smoky Mountains, and we're going to spend the week there, and then we're going to go to Atlanta, Georgia, and then we're going to go back to Mississippi. So we have a lot of videos coming up, so I hope you will enjoy them, and we're going to have a blast. So I'm going to take a few shots here, and I'll post it on YouTube. Hope you'll subscribe to our channel. We have a lot of good stuff coming up. Thank you for watching. Yori, what you want today? I don't know.
Already did. Can I check this when we go camping?
What is it?
Quick energy though.
Oh, energy? I guess so. I'm going to do a quick run through some of the chocolates and candies. It's a huge Hershey bar. I mean, candy is awesome. Some of it's like some retro stuff, like some old candy. If you live in the Wichita area, you really should come here if you've never been here before.
My favorite.
Your favorite? Big League Chew. That'll take you back a long time ago. There's a Yori. This is pretty cool. Candy from the 1970s, 1980s, and 1990s. Kind of buy like a little pack, and the different candies from those decades are in there. That's pretty cool. I would definitely like to buy that sometime. I may actually do that and make a video of it sometime. That'd be kind of cool. Alright. Tootsie Roll.
Look. Something came out.
What is it?
The Tootsies.
I don't think I want the Tootsie Rolls. Here's what I want, because I'm from the 1980s. So we got the Runts, we got a Ring Pop, we got Fireball, Giant Sweet Tarts. Oh, those are my favorite. Laffy Taffy. What's that? Oh, I do. Yeah, those have become my favorite lately. That's something new, though. I think my mom always gives me those. Christmas. Where'd you get this at?
Cherry something.
You don't like these cowtails, right?
I don't like it.
Yeah, I don't like them either.
I tried the other day.
Yeah. Not the best. Here comes the Yori.
なんか買ったって。あ、そうなってるのか。これ入れといて。これ1本以外はこれ全部あと1本持ってるから。これは
So what did you get?
Tiny bags of jelly beans.
And
Mystery flavor.
Swirl.
Toffee. And something.
what's
I
that?
don't
What's
know.
that sports stuff?
I don't know. I've never tried this before. But
Think
it
that's gonna
says
give you-
sport beans.
Is that gonna give you energy
Yeah.
when you go hiking?
It's kind of supplement.
Okay.
And something from
Something.
Tootsie Roll.
Okay.
Flavor of honey.
All right.
Cinnamon.
Oh, right there.
All right. So we're gonna check out. So that's.
What about you?
I'm not sure I'm gonna get anything today. So. Because I know I'm gonna spend a lot of money on our trip coming up. So. No, that's all right. So that's gonna be it.